What's up, guys? Mello's Customs here. If you're ever wondering how to change a set of hood springs on a 1950 Chevrolet, we took a piece of angle iron, we cut a notch right in the end, we hooked this bad boy right up on here, pushed this down, unhooked her, came right off. Be careful, these springs will kill you. There's a lot of tension on these springs. And they go down inside right there. Nice simple tool. Again, be very careful. A lot of tension on them springs. It's a custom 50 Deluxe. Done a lot of work to this one. Again, here's what the tool looks like. 2.5 foot, a 3 foot angle. Notch cut on either side so you can do left and right. Cut a little notch here so the spring hooks, because it took me a little bit to get those bad boys out of there. Alright, stay tuned. Some more videos on this project.